Does your car engine temperature rise significantly when stopped at idle and in traffic, while the engine temperature drops to the normal level when driving at high speeds and on open roads? This serious problem has 7 causes. Let's get to know them together. 1. Water pump failure. Wear and erosion of the water pump impeller blades cause a noticeable weakness in coolant flow within the cooling system. So, when accelerating and increasing engine RPM, the water pump speed increases, resulting in better engine cooling. On the contrary, when stopped at idle speed or in traffic, coolant circulation inside the engine becomes weak, leading to an increase in engine temperature when stopped at idle or in traffic. The solution is to replace the water pump with a new one. 2. Radiator clogged externally. Dirt buildup on the outside of the radiator and blockage of its cooling fins and passages cancel the heat exchange process performed by the radiator. Therefore, when stopped or driving in traffic, the radiator cannot perform its function due to reduced efficiency and heat exchange capability as a result of accumulated dirt and dust on the external radiator body. The solution is to clean the radiator externally using medium pressure water to avoid damaging the radiator fins. 3. Cooling fan malfunction. The cooling fan works to cool the engine when stopped or driving in traffic because at idle speed the engine loses external cooling, airflow hitting the car when driving at high speed. However, if the fan fails to operate or the fan motor becomes weak, operates at a very low and slow speed, the engine temperature rises noticeably when stopped at idle or in traffic. The solution is to replace the fan motor if it's weak, or check the fan fuse, relay, and temperature sensor if it does not operate at all. Note: some of the causes mentioned in this video have been explained in detail in previous videos. You will find all the links in the description box below the video. 4. Low coolant level. Coolant is the primary factor in protecting the engine from damage and overheating. The coolant level must always be between min and max. If the coolant level drops, engine temperature will rise in general, but more noticeably when stopped at idle or in crowded areas. The solution is to wait until the engine cools completely, then refill coolant to the correct level and fix the cause of the coolant loss. 5. Thermostat failure. The thermostat valve is responsible for allowing hot coolant to pass from the engine to the radiator. If the thermostat fails in the closed position, it traps hot coolant inside the engine, leading to increased engine temperature when stopped at idle or in traffic. The solution is to replace the thermostat with a new one. 6. Temperature sensor failure. The temperature sensor sends the coolant temperature to the ECU, which controls the operation of the cooling fans based on this signal. If the sensor is faulty and does not send an accurate signal to the ECU about the coolant temperature, it will affect fan operation and lead to increased engine temperature. The solution is to inspect and test the temperature sensor as explained in previous videos. Links in the description. 7. Air in the cooling system. Air entering the cooling system after changing the coolant or replacing one of the hoses is very common. However, this air must be completely removed because it causes engine temperature to rise when driving in crowded areas. The solution is to bleed and remove the air from the cooling system. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if it was helpful. See you in the next video. You were with AutoFix Zone.